In this video, let me show you how you can delete DoorDash account on phone. Welcome back to App Mentor. This will be quick and easy, so keep on watching. First, using your phone, open your DoorDash application, click on your profile, and scroll all the way down until you see the frequently asked questions. Click on it, and it will direct you to a customer support page. Go ahead and click the customer support to chat with an agent. You will be connected to an agent. Just tell them that you want to close or delete your account, and they will guide you through. Follow the steps accordingly, then you will have your DoorDash account deleted. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!